This MongByYa Deluxe Santa Claus costume gives you a full head-to-toe transformation with coordinated jacket, pants, hat, beard, belt, boot covers, gloves, gift bag, and candy pouches all included. The rich velvet fabric feels soft against the skin yet has enough weight to hang nicely, so the suit looks plush and substantial in photos and in person. A hidden front zipper on the jacket and an elastic waist on the pants make it easy to get dressed and stay comfortable through long holiday events. The one-size design works well for many adult body types within the suggested height and weight range, so it is practical for family gatherings, office parties, or community events. The included golden gift bag and fluffy beard help complete a convincing Santa look that delights children and adults and makes holiday photos more memorable. With simple hand washing or professional cleaning and a quick comb through the faux fur trim, the costume keeps its bright color and fluffy details for future Christmas seasons.